Welcome to this video, where we bring you valuable insights and expert advice to help you unlock success in your career. Today, we're diving into the transformative benefits of registered apprenticeship programs for employers and employees. So if you're ready to take your career to new heights, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Hey there, career enthusiasts. In this episode, we'll explore how registered apprenticeship programs can supercharge your professional journey. Employers, listen up. These programs offer access to a skilled and reliable workforce, increased productivity, and substantial cost savings. And employees, here's the exciting part. Apprenticeships provide hands-on training, industry-specific skills, and the ability to earn while you learn. Plus, they boost your job security and employability, opening doors to exciting career opportunities. But that's not all. Registered apprenticeship programs also foster collaboration between employers and educational institutions, ensuring you receive top-notch training aligned with industry demands. And guess what? By embracing diversity and inclusion, apprenticeships create a more dynamic and innovative workforce. But don't just take our word for it. We've got real-life success stories to prove the impact of these programs. From tradespeople mastering their crafts to professionals thriving in specialized roles, apprenticeships have transformed lives and careers. So whether you're an employer looking for a skilled workforce or an employee seeking career growth, registered apprenticeship programs are the key to unlocking your success. Remember to hit that like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues ready to take their careers to the next level. And as always, stay tuned for more valuable insights to help you thrive in your professional journey. Until next time,